Hello everyone, this is a video that takes us through connectors that are used in solar PV circuits, and it is among a series of videos that we'll be bringing to you to enable us to demonstrate some of the circuits that we shall be seeing later on in this channel. So to start with, on your screen you are looking at an MC4, both male and female, and on the side of each is the pin that is found inside that is used for holding the cable that enters into the connector. If we look at this further, these are the single type. Now there is another variety of the MC4, which is the multi-branch, and this particular one, if we look at this one, this is a multi-T branch MC4 connector, and this side has the male head and this is a female head, but on the other side you have the male heads and the female heads. Now the idea here is this particular type is for doing connections in parallel because of the line being split. One line enters on this side and two lines leave on this side. Now using this particular one, we have another one which is the 4T, and as the name suggests, you can see 4 connections here, which we have 1 coming in and 4 going out, and this is a male head and this is a female head. Going further, there's another type which is a 60, and also as the name suggests, it has 6 outlets, meaning that 1 outlet comes, then we have all this getting out. It is not only the MC4 multi-branch, we also have the MC4Y branch, and depending on what you want to do, there's a convenience between what the T-type can give you and the flexibility you can get with the Y-type. Now, having discussed and looked at these connectors, we now want to see how they're used in connecting panels together. We start with looking at the parallel connection, and we have a schematic here showing 2 panels and with a multi-T branch MC4 connector. So as you can see, the panel on the left side is being hooked to the panel on the right side to form a parallel connection, so that these 2 lines, this one enters in there and we have these 2 getting out, and this can be repeated on another setting on the right as you continue, depending on what you want to achieve. That is a parallel connection. Let's look at a series connection. So here we see the MC4 being used in a series connection, and you can see clearly that in this particular case the positive joins the negative side, and this is repeated. It can go on like that, and you have several other panels connected in the same way in a series manner. Now these are the basic forms of connections you'll find in PV circuits, either in parallel or in series, or sometimes a situation can arise where you have both series and parallel connections to achieve a certain goal. So with that, we come to the end of this video, and we shall be bringing more as we go along.